Excuse me, I'm pretty sure that's Air New Zealand. Is that a drone flying around that sumbitch or what? I'm pretty sure that's a drone following that sumbitch. Oh yeah. Little sumbitch. June 17th, for around 5:30. Shit, I don't know. Sometime early evening, late afternoon. We get dumped on all afternoon. Then Alaska Spray Lines came in with some full wing death spray. Then a couple little military contractors. Then they turned on some frequencies, and now you got this nasty shit. Breathe it all in, yeah. Breathe that. Oh, here we got a sprayer. I'm not sure who this is. Don't really care at this point. Oh, that's Air New Zealand. What you guys spraying? Look like some nasty shit. Excuse me, I'm pretty sure that's Air New Zealand. Is that a drone flying around that sumbitch or what? I'm pretty sure that's a drone following that sumbitch. Oh yeah. Little sumbitch. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. Really? People don't have a problem with that? You don't have a problem with all these chemicals? Jeez. That's nasty. How about that drone flying with him? Or several. Not the first time, they do that a lot. Whenever they're using specialty sprays or super death metal tail sprayer, there's usually some orbs around. Some of the military ones, what they call them, ARVs or TEs, something, shit, I don't know. Yeah, spray that shit. Piece of shit. Might be an interesting sunset. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed Spray Fest today over Worland, Wyoming. David Keith approves this spray. Where is law enforcement today? Where are they any day? Oh yeah, hiding. Hiding. Should be hiding. Especially when people wake up and are really pissed off at y'all. Since y'all are allowing us to be murdered, slow kill. You see frequencies working them toxic heavy metals and whatever else is in that bullshit. How about that? Zap that shit.